Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the slider and teeth closely so you know the exact problem: stuck, misaligned, or missing teeth. Once done, remove loose fabric or debris with a small brush and test the slider movement by hand. Make sure to have needle nose pliers, a sewing needle, strong thread, and a lubricant like graphite or bar soap at hand. You want the zipper lying flat on a stable surface, so every adjustment is controlled, and you can see how the slider engages the teeth. Begin by applying a small amount of lubricant directly into the teeth where the slider sticks. This reduces friction so the slider can reseat. Once lubricated, work the slider slowly back and forth several times to realign teeth. If the slider is loose, pinch the back and front plates slightly with needle nose pliers. Small adjustments make the slider grip better. When replacement is needed, remove the top stop, slide the old slider off, fit the new slider onto the teeth, and then reinstall or sew a new top stop securely. Finish by repairing any torn zipper tape. Stitch close to the teeth with tight, even stitches, or use fabric glue for quick reinforcement, making sure not to create bulk that jams the slider. Once secured, run the zipper smoothly through its full range 3 to 5 times to confirm consistent engagement. Trim stray threads and reinstall metal or sewn stops. If a section has missing teeth or persistent separation, replace the entire zipper or use a dedicated repair kit. If problems continue, consider professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.